This is the Daily Market Comment by Harlambos Bisuros. I'm Maria Pachurdes. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. The dollar ended Wednesday lower against most of the other currencies, despite Fed Chair Powell delivering a relatively hawkish message when testifying before the House Financial Services Committee of the U.S. Congress. The Fed chief said that rate increases are a pretty good guess of where the central bank is headed if the economy continues in the current direction. This served as another confirmation that their decision to stay sidelined in June was not the end of this tightening crusade. However, the fact that he used the word guess is way different than signaling 2 more quarter points are a done deal. What's more, the fact that he didn't make any reference to a specific number of potential upcoming hikes allowed the market to maintain bets of only 1 more quarter point hike despite last week's updated dot plot pointing to 50 basis points worth of additional increases. Currently, investors are convinced that another hike will be the case by November, while they are anticipating a series of rate cuts throughout 2024. All this disappointed dollar traders, prompting them to sell again, which validates the view that Tuesday's recovery in the greenback was nothing more than a temporary boost, and that it's very early to start discussing a full-scale dollar comeback. Today, Powell will have another chance to convince the market about the Fed's intentions when he delivers his testimony before the Senate Banking Committee. However, the main event of the day will probably be the Bank of England decision a few hours earlier. With data yesterday pointing to further acceleration in the UK's core inflation, investors are evenly split on whether the bank should deliver a 25 or a 50 basis point hike, while they are anticipating around 150 basis points worth of additional rate increases in total. Thus, for the pound to extend its gains after the decision, policymakers may need to not only press the 50 basis point hike button, but also deliver a message that is hawkish enough to allow market participants to maintain their aggressive hike bets. Anything less than that could result in a slide in the British currency. Contrary to FX traders, equity investors perceived Powell's testimony as adequately hawkish and subsequently continued reducing their risk exposures. All 3 of Wall Street's main indices traded in the red, with Nasdaq losing the most ground. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.